Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting LeetCode SQL problem, which is customer placing the largest number of orders. As you can see, problem number 586. Got it? So this is very common SQL interview question because it is group by and count, order by, limit and find the maximum frequency. So in this video, I will explain everything step by step. So let's get started. Problem statement. As you can see, the question gives us one table which is called order. Okay, this is the orders table. So in the orders table, let's understand the column. So in the orders table, there is a column which is the order number and second column is the order customer number. Got it? So the order number, this is the unique order ID. For every order has its own unique number, as you can see. Okay. For the customer number, this tell us which customer placed the order. This tells us which customer placed the order. This is the order number and this is the customer which placed the order. Okay. So what does the question ask? The question asks us find the customer who placed the largest number of order. Are you getting my point? Need to find out the customer who placed the largest number of orders. In simple word, count order for every customer, then return the customer with the highest count. As simple as that. Okay. So let's understand the example. Let's count manually. Here you can see. For order 1, for orders 1, total orders, as you can see, 1. Okay. For customer 2, this is for customer 2. Orders 2. So total order is, got it? For customer 3. Customer 3 orders 4. Okay. 3 and 4. Customer 3 orders 3 and 4. Here you can see. This is the customer, this is the order. So you can see this is the order number and this is the customer number. So customer 1 orders 1 order. Customer 2 orders 1 order, as you can see. But customer 3 orders 2 orders, which is the order number 3 and order number 4, as you can see. Okay. So the total number ordered by customer, which is customer number is 3, which is 2. Okay. So order, let's count the order summary like that. For customer number 1, 2 and 3, total number of order, like for customer 1, total number order is 1. For customer 2, total number order is 1. But customer 3, total number of order is 2 because there are two IDs, as you can see, for order number. So we need to find out the maximum. So now let's compare. Customer 1, 1 order. Customer 2, 1 order. And customer 3, 2 order. Largest is 2 order. It belongs to customer number is equal to 3. Okay. Customer number is equal to 3, which orders the twice. So that's why we return the largest number of order. So final output is 3. We need to return the customer number, not a number of order. We need to return the customer number. I hope it's clear. Okay, so the important observation to solve this problem, we need to count the orders per customer. Okay, and second one is the sort by highest count. Sort by highest count and pick the first customer. As you can see, something is similar like that. So this means group by count, order by descending, and limit is 1. So this concept we will apply here. We will apply. Group by. Why group by? Because we need to separate count for each customer. Okay. I hope you understand it. For example, let's see group by customer number. It means we are creating one group per customer. Creates one group per customer. Okay, and let's count like that. This gives the total orders. And step 3, like order by descending, we want highest order count first. Okay, so now let's write down the query part, which is the count strip d descending. DESC means descending order. Descending order means, as you can see, as you already know, that highest count appears on top. I hope it's clear. Okay, and limit 1. Return only one. We want to return only one row as in our final answer. So the customer with the highest number of order. Okay. Again, the apply the DESC. It means the highest number will be appears on the top. Then we will return one. It means that highest number we will return the top element. Okay. So now let's start the final query here. So this is like a prototype prototype of the mm, query. So now let's write down the select customer number from orders group by customer number order by. Okay, simply we will remove from here and simply order by count and order by count DESC and limit 1. Okay, so here we are returning the top customer. Return only top customer. Okay, so limit means that return only top customer here. Got it? I hope it's clear. So yeah, let's dry run. So let's see exactly what SQL does here. SQL does like original table is like something like that. Okay, 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, and 4 3. Okay, apply group by. Group becomes customer 1, customer 2, and customer 3. There will be three groups will be created using the group by query. For customer 1, orders 1, so count is equal to 1. For customer 2, order 2, so count is equal to 1. Okay, for customer 3, order is 3 and 4. For customer 3, order 3 and 4. That's why we return count is equal to 2. After the count, the customer table something looks like that. Like this is the customer number and this is the count. And the table looks like that. Count 1, 2, 1, and 3, 2. Table will be looks like that. Okay, as simple. So when we applying the order by DSC, order by DSC means that this query will be come from here to here. Are you getting my point? As simple as that. As you can see, this is very simple query. Then we will apply the limit. Limit 1 means that this is customer number, which is 3. Simply we will return 3 as our final answer. So for example, if interviewer ask you why did we using the group y here, So you can directly answer like that, because we needed to calculate the number of orders separately for each customer. Okay, we are count the number of orders for separately for each customer. That's why we are using the group by query here. Okay, so yeah, so this is the our final query here. Now let's run this. Okay, accepted. So the final revision here, like today we are learned like a group by and count, as you can see, and the order by DSC. This is the, as you can see, and limit also, how to apply the limit and find the maximum frequency using the limit, and using the DSC and limit, both the function. And also, so guys, this was the complete explanation of the customer placing the largest number of orders. I hope you understood the concept clearly. If this video helped you, then like the video, share with the friends, and subscribe to the channel. And comment which SQL problem you want next. See you in the next SQL tutorial. Thank you so much.